Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a video inside text like this in Davinci Resolve. So yesterday I was watching Peter McKinnon's video about DJ Accent 2 and I saw this effect in the intro. As you can see, it looks awesome. It's a cool effect and today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into Davinci Resolve and get started. Okay, so this is the footage that I'm going to use that I download from Pexels. If you want to download it as well, just click on the link in the description. Okay, so drag the footage to the timeline and then move it to video 2 and press D to disable the video for now because we don't need it right now. Then go to effects library, titles, and drag this basic title to the timeline as well. Then extend the duration to match the video. After that, edit the text to anything you want. Okay, and then after we have done, click on the video and press D to enable the video again. Okay, then on the video settings, scroll down until you see this composite, then change the composite mode from normal to multiply. And as you can see, the video will move into the text. Okay, so multiply will make anything white appear true and anything black won't be visible. Okay, and the next step is you can add some animations to the text. Okay, so let me show you. You can add something like zoom in or zoom out like in a movie. So I'm gonna move it to like 2 minutes and I will zoom in until you can see the whole video. Okay, now we can see the whole video and then make sure to keyframe it. Then I will move forward to 1 minute and then set everything back to normal. Okay, and then you can play the video and it will look like this. Okay, so it's something just like in the movie, or you can make what I did in the intro. Okay, and one more thing, you can also change the color of the title and it will look something like this. Okay, so it will give this effect. Okay, and if you want the normal look, just set it back to white. Okay, and if you're using Adobe Premiere, you can use this effect called trackmate key to add the video into text. Okay, but as you can see, we don't have that effect in Davinci Resolve, so we need to change the composite mode from normal to multiply. Okay, so that was how we do it in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learned something new from this video. Hit that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.